Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to flip an object in both the horizontal and the vertical plane, and kind of what that looks like and how to do it in Easel. It's pretty simple. So here I've got two objects that are the same, two horse heads, and what I want to do is flip this one so that it's um, in a different horizontal plane and then again in a different vertical plane so I can put them kind of end to end and facing in a different direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my object and click on Edit and Flip Horizontal. And this is going to flip my object around so that it's pointing in the other direction, kind of making a symmetrical look here in the design. And then again, you can keep it selected, but I'm going to reselect it because I unselected it and click on Edit again, and then Flip Vertical. And that's going to flip it upside down. And then if I bring it over here, now I've achieved exactly what I'm looking for, which is that kind of end to end, but pointing in a different direction look. And again, it's pretty simple. You just select your object and click on Edit and either flip horizontal or flip vertical, and that will adjust your object. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.